Thank you for staying with Prime Edition. Time for the business news. My name is Betty Kiptum. Now, the government is set to construct a fish processing plant in Kisumu County, offering cold storage, value-added processing, logistical support, and waste management solutions to promote environmental conservation. The factory will process fish caught at, among others, 5 strategically located fish landing sites using modern fiberglass boats being made in new efforts to boost revenue from the blue economy.
Plans are underway to establish a fish processing plant and storage facilities to strengthen the local fisheries sector. The initiative aims to enhance value addition, expand market reach, and create economic opportunities for the fisher folk. In support of this, 5 new fishing landing sites are under construction to improve safety, boost efficiency in fish transportation, and support economic growth in the region.
We also are moving forward with the construction of 5 landing sites strategically located at the following beaches. Kisumu Beach, which I believe is here, Makofi Kwao, that's Kisumu Beach in Kisumu Central Sub-County, that we are commissioning today. Nanga Beach in Sebe Sub-County. Rota Beach in Kisumu West Sub-County. Koguta Beach in Nyakach Sub-County. And Nyamwari Beach in Kadibo Sub-County.
The Kisumu County government has also partnered with Kenya Shipyards Limited to make 6 modern fiberglass boats. Professor Nyongo says the boats are safer and durable when compared to traditional wooden ones.
So it is safer to use something which we have control over, and which, by the way, in the final analysis, is much more economic than wooden boats.
He says one of the boats will be used for monitoring and surveillance along the lake. With increasing water transport and fishing activities on Lake Victoria, the wooden boats are gradually being phased out and replaced by fiberglass boats that are safer.
Each one of these modern boats, fitted with 25 to 40 horsepower engines, are fully equipped with cooler boxes for storage of fish up to 500 kilograms. Life jackets, flares, and safety gear for security in the lake.
The wooden boats project is expected to be completed within 90 days. Wairi Mujenga for Prime Edition.